Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we will be sharing with you the updates from the IT market as we are sharing with you every week without fail. And in this video, we will be also sharing with you a giveaway that we have just started on this Women's Day. So before that, let us quickly share with you the details of the digital product that we have recently launched. So this digital product contains the testing interview questions which were asked to one of our subscribers. And this digital product is absolutely free of cost. You would come to know what kind of interview questions you can expect from the companies, right? And you can also download it and you can access it absolutely free of cost. You can just click on access button and you need to enter some of the details, and then you will get this document in a PDF format in your email directly. So this is a giveaway that we have recently started on Women's Day. So last thing is, don't forget to give a positive rating on TopMate and write a positive testimonial, because these things are shared with you absolutely free of cost. Now coming to the agenda of this video, what is the IT market in 2024? What is the updates on the recent layoffs and these things? So again, this Sunday, we have come up with a positive news that we have got from the couple of institutes, couple of colleges, I would say. So what has happened is IT companies like TCS and Infosys, they are looking to hire fresh talent through small scale recruitment drives. So earlier, if you will see, before 2022, 2021, so they were having mass hiring campus drives, right? So they were hiring students in bulk. Mass hiring used to happen, but now they have started small scale recruitment drives. So it is actually better compared to nothing. So if you will see, last year in 2023, there were no such kind of campus drives conducted. In the year of 2022, nearly 250,000 people have got laid off. In the year of 2023, nearly 1.65 lakh of people have got laid off. So those are big numbers. But now these companies have come forward for the small scale recruitment drives. So they have started visiting colleges. So there are reports from the couple of colleges that we have got. So one is the college that is VIT Vellore. They have received 900 job offers from TCS for the campus placement. So let me share these details with you. So these companies, they went for a recruitment drive there, right? So VIT Vellore is the company. The students from VIT Vellore is the college. From this college, the students have received 900 job offers from the TCS company for campus placement, right? And the company has extended nearly 400 plus offers to freshers at SRM Institute of Science and Technology, right? So such developments have raised hopes for other engineering colleges and students. So this is actually a positive news. So the companies like TCS and Infosys have started going for the campus recruitment, and you can anticipate such kind of hiring in your colleges. You can have a word with your placement coordinators and you can get some updates from them. But the one thing which I would like to add over here is, this is what we have come to know from the people or the students who have given these examinations, that the interviews are a bit long, right? So earlier the interviews were like 20-25 minutes or maybe 30 minutes, but now the interviews are being taken up to 40 minutes, right? So 5 to 10 minutes extra, wherein the students are expected, they are supposed to write the real time programming interview questions. So let's say if you are having Java in your resume, core Java, or if you're having Python in your resume, then you're expected to write the programs at a fresher level, right? So the level of the interviews have got increased. They are expecting the students to uh, perform at par comparatively to earlier what they were expecting. So even the grade system, so let's say earlier if they were looking for 55-60% of grade without any kind of backlog in 10th, 12th, and in colleges, so these things will continue, and maybe the grade percentage also might increase by 3 or 5%, right? Who knows? So such kind of things are happening. But the positive thing is that actually the campus drives have started. So TCS company alone, they have recruited nearly 900 plus 400, so somewhere around 1300 400 people, students from the colleges, and At the same time, Infosys are also looking to hire fresh talent through small scale recruitment drives, right? So now what is happening is they are actually coming up with this kind of recruitment drives in their companies as well. So recently, if you will see, last Saturday and Sunday, TCS had this drive, and on Saturday, that is yesterday, Hexaware had a drive for QA. So such kind of small scale recruitment drives might be happening at campus or might be happening at the companies, right? So it depends from company to company, from org to org, which is their approach, which they would like to go for. So it depends on what kind of capacity or what kind of infrastructure also the colleges have. So such kind of discussions are happening between the placement coordinators, the colleges, and the IT companies, right? So that's a very good news. Apart from that, we are also helping people with the interview questions, right? So as I mentioned to you in the earlier section of this video, we have come up with the giveaway. So this is a digital product that we have recently launched on Women's Day, and we are sharing the testing interview questions that are asked to the experienced people in this particular product. And this have been shared absolutely free of cost. You can download it for free, and don't forget to give a positive rating and drop a positive testimonial for us, right? So that is very important, so that we can reach out to the maximum people in the network and we can help them to have to move their career to the next level, right? So that is very, very important these days. So such is the positive news that we have got from the IT industry, right? And this particular news that I am sharing here, that you would get on Economic Times as well, right? And now, as I was telling you about the benchmark, so let me tell you that as well, right? Yeah. So here are more details with respect to the benchmark level, right? The benchmark for minimum grades have increased. So this was reported by Anjani Kumar, who is the director of Amity Education Group. And as I mentioned to you, interviews are now 35 to 40 minutes of long, and students have to write the real-time programming codes also, right? Communication skills are also taking center stage, because communication skills are very important. The moment you will enter into the IT industry, let it be from a development point of view or from a QA point of view, from SAP, from project manager, business analyst, project coordinators, all these skills will require the English language, the good communication skills to be a part of your profile, right? Without having good communication skills, they will not give you the job, because they are expecting freshers to interact with the management, with the people at the leads level. Before joining the company, they want them to interact with the managers of the company itself, right? So they are supposed to interact with the clients when they join the company. Hence, they have made the communication skills very important. So if you don't have good communication skills, then please start working on those communication skills. And there are many ways that you can improve communication skills, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and it is with your immense support, the channel has been growing, and recently we have crossed 130,000 of subscribers as well, right? So thank you so much to every one of you who is watching this video and who had been watching our videos since long, right? So thank you again, and please don't forget to purchase that digital product for you. It would be very much helpful. You would get a good idea on what kind of interview questions you can expect in a company. Apart from that, don't forget to give a positive testimonial or to give a positive rating on Document for us, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.